Hello, so good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to 30 Days Effective Roadmap for Passing Agricultural Licensure Examination. Website po natin is raptitiinc.com by Robinson Nakabal, sponsored by Raptiti Inc. So, our topic for today is all about know your strength and weaknesses. Know your strength and weaknesses. So, na-discuss ko na to dati na Um, saan ka ba saan ka ba may strength? Saan ba yung weakness mo? So, at my weakness point is agricultural uh, economics at saka agricultural extension. So, because sa totoong buhay, napakadali lang to pero ang during the exam, ito po yung pinakamahirap para sa akin. Kaya, wait lang po, i-pause ko po, papakita ko po yung result ng exam. So this is the result of my exam during November 2019. Um, Science 94. So soil science is 90, crop protection is 85, animal science 84, agricultural economics and marketing 82, agricultural extension and communication is 79. So kung titingnan natin yung data na to, agricultural extension and communication at saka agricultural economics ang pinakamahirap para sa akin na subject because this is reading comprehension, competition, and uh, trivia. So, di ko alam kung saan kinukuha yung ang ibang question kaya napakahirap itong dalawang subject na to. Next is, babalik tayo sa topic natin. So, know your strength. Kaya nga, pinakita ko sa inyo yon para makita natin kung saan yung strength natin in terms sa pag-study ng board exam. So, i-assess nyo yung sarili nyo kung ano yung strength nyo at saka weakness. So, para sa akin is agricultural economics and agricultural extension. Pero sa totoong buhay, ito lang is napakadali nito. Pero during the exam is napakahirap. So, which type of program is responsible for green revolution? So, ano sa green revolution? So, ang green revolution is yung panahon, sino the father of kalimutan. Tas alamin niyo na lang po sino yung founder ng Green Revolution. So, Green Revolution nag-start yung paggamit ng mga high yielding variety plants. So, or ito po or program high yielding variety. Which type of program is responsible for Green Revolution? Parang Norman Borlaug pa to. Green Revolution. High value, yan po. Itong tatlo na to is di ko alam kung ano yan. So, use of high yielding variety program or plan. Which uses projector. So, ano pong nagagamit ng projector? Model, hindi. Kailangan mo ng model. Physical. Mock-up, di ko rin alam anong ibig sabihin ng mock-up. Relia. So, para sa akin, ang nagamit ng projector is slide. The social relationship are direct, face-to-face, and informal is siyang direct, face-to-face, and informal. Primary group, voluntary group, secondary group, congregated group. So, definition of terms ng grupo, voluntary, hindi, wala namang direct, wala namang sinasabing voluntary dyan, secondary, direct, hindi rin. So, sinabing direct, para sa akin is primary group. Primary group. The goal-directed behavior is goal-directed behavior, performance, activity, motivation, encouragement. Performance, goal. May goal ka na directed sa behavior mo. Performance, hindi. Achievement, pwede. Encouragement, hindi ka ini-encourage dyan. So, may goal ka. Para sa akin is motivation. Motivation and goal is same lang yan. What extension method best suited to tackle a burning problem at opportune time? Tackle a at opportune time. Field trips, hindi. Pupunta kayo sa field. Group discussion, kailangan ka ng 6 panelists of expert. Campaign, pwede. General meeting, hindi. Marami kayo. Para sa akin is campaign. What is the last step in teaching process, learning process? Isa sa pinaka-last. Desire, action, satisfaction, conviction. Desire, hindi. Bago ka lang, gusto ka matuto, di ba? May desire ka, hindi. Action, hindi. In the middle siya. Satisfaction, pwede. Conviction, hindi ko alam kung anong satisfaction, pwede. If tapos ka na, di ba, na-satisfy ka, kagaya nitong online course natin, ang end nito is satisfaction. A poster is a projected visual aid, audio visual aid, audio aid, non-projected visual aid. Poster, kagaya ng yung nakadikit sa bond paper, poster, ganun. So, isa siyang non-projected visual aid. Projected meaning, kailangan ka ng projector. Ito is poster is non-projected visual aid. The ability of an instrument to provide a consistent result is a refer. Consistent result. Validity, reliability, from the root word reliable. Valid means valid. Practicability, practice, practical, applicability. So, itong dalawa, applicability at practicability, hindi to kasama kasi instrument provide consistent result. So, validity or reliability. Yung sa palagay ko is reliable. Root word reliable is reliability. Reliability. Okay. Person who influence innovation decision informally in a social system is termed as facilitator, change agent, opinion leader, externalist. So, ang tawag daw sa maka-influence ng innovation decision sa informally in a social system. Sa palagay nyo, sino? Di ba yung mga leader natin? Ibig sabihin, example, kung leader nyo, one voice, one leader. Sabihin niya, ito lang, paternalistic, ito lang yung dapat sundin natin. So, instead yung iba, so may barrier. So, mas inuuna nila ang decision. Example, yung sa mga leader natin, alam nyo na yan, yung mga pastor natin, ganun, na maka-change ng decision sa innovation or sa isang decision ng tao. The people having appreciation for innovation and perceptiveness are grouped under one type of interpersonal style. Meron silang appreciation for innovation. So, ito is unperceptiveness. Challenger, hindi. Visionaries, pwede. Pathfinder, stabilizer. Stabilize lang siya. Pathfinder, naghahanap pa siya. Challenger, hindi. China-challenge yung one. Visionary ang tawag niyan. May appreciation for innovation. Visionary, consistent siya. So, tamang sagot is visionary.